how to revert to an older version of Elementor. So I've just logged into my Elementor account here. I'm going to hover over the preview of my website and then I'll open up the WordPress dashboard. Now, once we have the WordPress dashboard loaded here, what we're going to do is we're going to hover over Elementor here from the left-hand side, and then we want to go to Tools. Now, from the Tools section, you should be able to see a tab that says Version Control. Once selected, you will be able to see rollback version and rollback pro version. Now, depending on which one you want to roll back, for example, I'll do the rollback version here. We can click on this drop-down menu and we can select some of the previous versions of Elementor here on the different clouds. Now, what's important is that we actually back up our database before making the rollback, because it might not work properly. But basically, once you select the version here, you can click on reinstall and the version that we've selected. And that's how you revert to an older version of Elementor. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.